Before you come to your comfortable seat, we'll spend some time on our knees today. So if you need to bring something, a cushion or a blanket or a towel for your knees, go ahead and do that now. And then find a heavy seat. Let your eyes soften or closed. Lean back slightly so you can settle into the weight of your bones, allowing your seat to become heavier still. Allow yourself to have more gravity, more weight. Begin the slowing of your breath till your breath slows way down. Come to your tasting breath, your smelling breath. Tasting and smelling the sensations of the world around you as you bring the air into yourself. Imagining the air is thick and liquid. So there's some resistance to it, some effort to draw it into yourself. And explore this effort not at the tip of the nose, but somewhere further back and deeper in. The effort deep in the cavities in the cave of your skull. The triangle of the throat. The bottom of the heart. Allow the weight of your heart and kidneys to sink down into the pit of your stomach, down into the ocean floor of your pelvis. Let your inhales, as well as your exhales, continue to press the heart and kidneys down. Again, giving you more weight, more gravity. Bring the horseshoe between your index finger and thumb to the sides of your waist. So your thumb wraps back and your index finger wraps forward. Again, lean back slightly as you lean back, just to the point where it feels like your body wants to turn on to hold you to keep you from falling. Press the weight of your breath down, weight of the heart and kidneys down into the pit of the stomach, to the ocean floor of the pelvis. And even against this downwards, this continuous downwards of inhale and exhale, find the lift of the triangles of the low belly and sacrum, the drawing back and into the heart, drawing back of the throat. And now use your breath to press into the horseshoe of your fingers, pressing the weight of your breath, inhales and exhales, into the tips of your fingers, into the tips of your thumbs, attempting to maintain this pushing outwards from the inner to the outer from your breath, all through its cycles, so you don't lose the fullness. And as you press this downwards, imagine something in you as if you were filling a vessel with water is rising up, expanding through the ribs. Keep pressing the pressure of your breath down into this furnace until you feel a warmth coming to the organs. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come forward, but keep the pressure down as if your hands are still there. Bring your fingertips forward. Roll over onto your hands and knees. Bring your hands a little bit forward so most of the weight is still in your legs. For a moment, let your belly rest on your thighs. Let your hips settle back, close to touching your heels, if not on your heels. Walk your fingertips back. Keep a bend in the elbows. Continue the sense of pressing the weight of your heart and kidneys down into your pelvis. Keep the hips back so they're not trying to curl under. They're staying natural as you push inhales and exhales down, even into the horseshoe, the ghost of the horseshoe now of your fingertips. Lift the low belly triangle. Let your heart draw in and even get more of a sense of your left heart drawing more deeply into your body. Shoulders are relaxed, so the shoulders aren't rounding. Now the right heart pulling more deeply into your body, even as you press heart and kidneys down. Left heart draws more deeply in. Breathe deeply down. Right heart draws more deeply in. Breathe deeply down. Almost so much so that your fingers become lighter. You can almost lift up away from the floor if you need to support your hands on something as we move. Also, you can have a block. Walk your fingers a little bit to the left. Keep the pelvis back. Small push of the fingers. Let your left heart go more deeply in. Press the weight of your breath down. Expand through the weight of your breath. As your left heart goes in, slide your right armpit away from your right hip. Head stays heavy and down, so even the right side of your neck is long. Deep breath. Imagine this filling, this inflating. So each breath is an inflation upwards. Each exhale is a pushing outwards, attempting to hold the bigness. Arms hang heavy like an elephant's trunk. Walk your fingers over to the right. Again, soft fingertips push down. Soft elbows. With the push of the right fingertips, the right heart goes more deeply in. Left armpit slides away from left hip. Left side of the neck gets longer. Push the heart and kidneys down into the pit of the stomach. As you press the inhales down, almost as if your upper body is being inflated up away from your legs. The exhale expands as well to maintain that fullness. As you exhale, roll through center like an elephant. Skirt the fingertips along the ground. As you inhale, inflate. Exhale, skirt along the ground. Press your right fingertips down again. Let the right heart go in. Left armpit slides away from left hip. Pressure the breath moves down as you inhale, inflate as if you're inflating yourself up away from your legs. Exhales, keep the expansion. Push out with the exhales. And then slide the fingertips, roll to the left. Again, press downwards. This time, see if you can take the pressure and push the pressure down through your legs. As you push the weight and pressure down through your legs, let yourself rise up a little bit taller. Arms heavy like an elephant's trunk. Exhale, hips go back. Fingertips slide along the ground. Keep the fullness. As you inhale, press the pressure of your breath from belly, pit of the stomach, ocean floor, the pelvis, down through the legs. Rise. Exhale, skirt the floor. Inhale. Exhale, tickle the floor as you move. Find a rhythm now. Coming up as high or staying as low as you want. Keep the expansive quality of the breath through inhales and exhales. Keep pressing the pressure of the breath down through the legs as if you can push down to the ground with the pressure of your breath. It's the pressure pushing downwards into the legs that allows you to inflate and rise. Keep moving. At your pace. Linger where you need to linger. You can add sunrises. You go back to the left, push down, tension the arms as if you can push the breath out through the arms and against that tension. Rise, lean back slightly. Open. Let your left heart go in, go down the way that you came up. Press the breath down. Inhales and exhales, skirt the floor. Inhales, push down through the leg. Resist out through the arms. Come up and open. Right heart goes in, come back down. Keep moving on your breath now. Let the breath be big, even though the movements may be small. Allow the pressure of the breath to move through the entire body. So the movement is held, almost resisted by the expansive quality from the inner pushing out, from the outer hugging in against that pressure. Maintain the sense of connection, the sense of pressure as you move. Use the effort of your breath to push into the places that are emptier. Pause. Sit back. Close your eyes. Allow yourself to descend, to drift back and down, riding on the wake of the sensations internally, sinking from the surface to the depths. Fingertips or palms begin to tap along the belly, along the low ribs, sides of the waist, the back ribs if you can get there. Both sides, let your touch be interesting enough. Breathe against your touch, as if the breath is reaching towards the touch. A little stronger now, along the belly button, the hip crease, sides of the thighs, fronts of the thighs, sides of the hips, back of the hips. Let the echoes of your touch remain. Walk your fingertips forward. Press the weight of the kidneys, weight of the breath, down into the ocean floor of your pelvis, even down through the legs, so that pressure moves downwards. The upper body can almost float on the balloon that's beneath it, the balloon of pressure. See if you can move your breath against the echoes of your touch. Roll to the left now, elephant to the left. Against the tensions of your body, rise, lean back, press the pressure of your breath down through the legs and open. Exhale back the way that you went in. Keep an expansive quality of the exhale. Roll. Open. Back and forth now. Your effort. You're making the movement smaller but deeper. Allowing your breath to lead, not getting in front of your breath. Letting the body respond, opening along the breath. Forget how it looks. Get lost in the sensations, becoming a vessel for breath. A path to a descent deeper in. Four more breaths. And back to center. Again, come to a heavy seat. Close your eyes. Allow your senses to drift back as if your eyes turn inwards, as if your sense of smell does the same, sense of taste, even the sense of touch. Preparing for the silent howl. Bring your fist underneath your throat. Slide the tissues underneath your jaw. Bring the elbow more towards midline. Support it with your left hand. Again, lean back into the weight of your bones. Allow the throat triangle to pull back, even as the fist tries to take the jaw forward. As you begin to push up against your jaw with effort, load the effort of this instead of towards the front, descent backwards into the skull. Resist the push upwards of your fist with the back of the skull, with the back of the neck. And imagine that you can swallow this sense of effort down. So the back of your body, all the way down to your pelvis, is involved in this. Keep breathing through your nose, pushing your breath downwards, descending the heart and kidneys down. Behind closed eyes, start to look up. Keep pushing with your fist and begin to open your mouth against the push. Imagine the bones of your face growing forward. Pull your lips back, your cheeks back. Go slowly so it feels like both sides of your mouth are opening evenly. Deep breaths through your nose. Begin to open more and more, increasing the capacity, the effort slowly. Even as you open, imagine your teeth pressure coming forward. Imagine that you're howling into a night sky, as if you're engorging and filling your teeth with blood until they grow. So your teeth are trying to bite down even as the mouth opens. Go to your maximum effort now for 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. As the active part of our morning winds itself inwards, spirals from movement to stillness. Allow yourself to descend again. If you have the time and the space for it, lay down with no sense of purpose, with no sense of effort. And allow yourself as much weight as you can, as much gravity as you can. And let this gravity be felt internally, as if all of your sensations are drawing you somewhere deeper in, down beneath the light, beneath the surface, into what's beneath. Allow yourself to descend. For as many minutes as you can steal away. Emptying, listening. I'll leave you here until you're ready to slowly open your eyes, allowing the dark to meet the light once more. Allowing yourself to be a bridge between the surface and the depths.